Doesn't taste very good. Hey everyone, it's your girl Melanie, and today we're gonna do a little time traveling. You see, a year ago, I was bombarded with ads on my Facebook and Instagram feed for this product called AngelLift Derma Strips. And what it is basically this plastic device that you put in your mouth, and it's supposed to help reduce the look of wrinkles, jowls, marionette lines, and smoker's lines, of which I have plenty. So right now, let's take a trip back to the past where I show you my original unboxing, demo, and first impressions. Hi everyone, it's Melanie, and I am so excited to share this product with you today. This is going to be my very first time trying it, and I have been hearing all the hype about this product, so I decided I'm going to go out and buy it and show you my honest opinion. This product today that I'm checking out is called AngelLift. I've been seeing it everywhere, and the reviews on it are freaking phenomenal. Everybody seems to love it. I mean, I know that this product was featured on Shark Tank, so it's got to be good, right? But the thing is, the reviews are a little bit fishy to me. I never see any real life before and after photos. Why isn't anybody posting their pictures on it? The only photos I've ever seen are the ones that come from the AngelLift website. But you know what? I decided I'm going to bite the bullet. I paid for this product with my own money. This review is completely honest and unbiased, and I'm going to show you the results of this product after using it to see if the AngelLift actually lives up to the hype. All right, so let's do this. This is the basic package. This was, I think it was $75. It might have been $79. These are for the Derma Strips. This is not the one that has all the bells and whistles. It's the base model. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so you get this little box of microfiber exfoliating towelettes. Let's see what's in it. So there are these little, I guess they're little towels that come in the form of like a pill, and you rinse it underwater and it turns into a towel. I see now. It's like a little towelette that's rolled up inside there. Shall I open it up and see what it does? I'll be right back. Okay, so you run it underwater and the whole thing unrolls and becomes this little towel. I mean, it's fine. It's kind of like using a wet wipe on your face. Now I just took off half my makeup. All right, that's fine. This way I can take off my makeup so you can actually see my jowls and my marionette lines. Okay, now here are the Derma Strips. This is the pack of the Derma Strips. Feels like there's two in there. And they also gave a little container of lip serum. This is called Derma Lips. So this is supposed to exfoliate your lips. Let's try out this lip serum too, shall we? It's got a little sponge applicator. It looks like it's been used, but this is my first time opening it. Why is it pink on the top? I don't know, that's weird. Okay. Ooh. It doesn't taste very good. And I could see why it would exfoliate your lips. It feels grainy, and it feels wet, and it doesn't taste very good. So, okay. Well, if you need it to exfoliate your lips, well, you know, it came with it. Okay, and this is the case. Oh, there's even a little mirror in there. There's little grooves in there that they just slide into. Boop. And put this in a safe place so you're not out a $75 product. And they give you an instruction book. All right? Okay. First off, it tells you to moisturize your face prior to treatment with an oil-free moisturizer. Then it says wash lifting strips before each use with anti-plaque mouthwash or soap. All right, well, let's open it up. See what it is. Oh, yeah! Okay, so they're two strips. They look exactly the same. I washed off the AngelLift Derma Strip, and it's just like a little flexible, like rubbery thing. It has little holes in it right there. I don't know if you're supposed to put it up because it has more on the top or on the bottom. Let's see. Look at what it does. It's puffed up my little mouth just a little bit here. It's not uncomfortable. It just feels like I got something in my gums, really. You're supposed to leave it in your mouth the first time for like 10 minutes and then work your way up to 30 minutes. I'm going to see it on the bottom too. I'm not frowning. This is what it's making my mouth do. I do see that it looks like it's pushing this part out a little bit, which is where my marionette lines are, so okay. You're supposed to wear these either on the top or the bottom, but not at the same time. I don't know why, but okay, I'll just do what it says. But you're supposed to leave it in for 30 minutes without eating, drinking, or talking, and you should see results within 30 to 60 days. And we're gonna check back in a few weeks and see if there's any difference. Welcome back to the present. It's a year later. My hair's a little bit longer. I got a better camera, and I'm still using the AngelLift Derma Strips every night. Now, AngelLift says that you are supposed to replace these strips every 3 months, but I ain't got that kind of money to be shelling out every 3 months, so I have been using the same strips this whole time, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks that I have discovered for myself along the way. So first off, I always keep them in this case. I will start with a little bit of my favorite moisturizer. It's called It Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep. It smells like lavender. It smells delicious. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to get yourself some. I pay special attention to putting it around my mouth and especially where my smoker's lines are. And then I pop one of these babies in my mouth and then I just sit with it for about 20 minutes while I watch my little ghost shows, and then I take it out and go to sleep. By the way, do not fall asleep with these in your mouth. And I've discovered that it really doesn't matter if this is going up or down. Over time, yes, your strips will get a little bit more flexible. So what I do is I'll wear the strip up like this, and then you can see the strip is kind of formed in that direction. So the next night, I'll wear the strip and flip it around. And when I do that, I've noticed the strip has a little more tension, which is what you want, because that is what supposedly helps produce collagen and help the lines decrease in your face. Also, you can alternate between it being up or down. It's really just a matter of comfort. And I'm going to be honest with you, it took me a really long time to start noticing some results. But what I have noticed is after a night of wearing the strips, my mouth and lips are definitely plumper. Check out these before and after pictures. The before picture is when I first started using the product, and the after picture is recent after a night of using one of the strips. I really think I see a difference. What do you think? Now, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this product with my own money, and I thought it would be cool to share it with you guys if you're anything like me who's always trying to find an inexpensive way to stay looking younger on a budget. But I do plan to keep using them. What do you think? Do you see a difference? Is this something that you'd be interested in trying? Leave me a comment and let me know. Thank you so much for watching and taking this journey with me. See you next time. And now I can finally throw away this box. Sexy.